Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where learning English is made easy, practical, and fun. I'm Emily.
And I am Clark. Hello, everyone. Today, we are tackling a chore that everyone has to deal with eventually, especially when traveling or living abroad, doing the laundry.
This is such an essential everyday topic. Whether you are using a self-service laundromat or dropping off your favorite formal clothes at a professional dry cleaners, you need specific vocabulary to make sure your clothes come out fresh, clean, and completely undamaged.
Exactly. If you get the vocabulary wrong, you might accidentally shrink your favorite sweater or ruin a delicate fabric. Today, we are breaking down the essential phrases into 4 clear categories, using self-service washers and dryers, dropping off clothes for dry cleaning, asking for stain removal, and picking up your fresh garments.
We will practice these phrases naturally together. Before we begin, please take a quick second to hit that subscribe button, click the like icon, and share this episode with a friend. Let's start with category 1, using a self-service laundromat.
When you walk into a coin-operated or card-operated laundromat, you might need to ask the attendant or a fellow customer for help with the machines. Let's look at the daily phrases. Phrase 1.
Excuse me, where can I find the coin machine to change my dollar bills into quarters?
Is this specific washing machine currently out of order or is it ready to use?
How many scoops of laundry detergent powder should I add for a medium-sized load?
Do you sell single-use fabric softener sheets behind the front counter?
Which cycle should I select for delicate items like silk and lace?
Excuse me, can I use your laundry cart for a second to move my wet clothes to the dryer?
Does this heavy-duty dryer take a long time to heat up, or is it pretty fast?
I think my clothes are still a bit damp. I'm gonna add another 10 minutes to the timer.
Is it safe to wash these dark-colored clothes together with my white shirts?
Where should I throw away the lint from the dryer filter trap?
Great phrases. In phrase 10, speaker 1 mentioned the word lint. Lint is the loose bits of fabric or fluff that come off your clothes during the drying process. Cleaning the lint trap is a vital step before you start a dryer.
Now let's look at professional services. When you have high-end clothes, suits, or delicate garments, you drop them off at a dry cleaner. Let's practice speaking to the clerk at the counter. Phrase 11.
Hi, I'd like to drop off this 2-piece suit and these 3 dress shirts for dry cleaning.
Does this specific fabric require special care, or can it be washed regularly?
I need to get this evening gown pressed and ironed for a wedding this weekend.
Could you tell me what your standard turnaround time is for a regular drop-off service?
Is it possible to get these items back by tomorrow afternoon with an express rush fee?
This jacket is 100% wool, so please make absolutely sure it doesn't shrink.
Do you offer a wash and fold service where you charge by the pound or kilogram?
I'd like to have these curtains deep cleaned to remove all the dust.
Should I leave the wire hangers with you, or do you prefer I take them home?
Do you handle alterations here, like hemming a pair of trousers that are too long?
Please be very gentle with the buttons on this shirt. They are quite delicate.
Can you starch the collars of these dress shirts so they stay crisp and stiff?
Do I need to prepay for the service right now, or do I pay when I pick them up?
Is there a discount if I bring in more than 5 items at the same time?
Could you please write down my last name, Shake, on the laundry ticket tag? Excellent. Notice how in phrase 22, speaker 1 asked to starch the collars. Starch is a liquid chemical spray used during ironing to make cotton shirts look incredibly formal, stiff, and crisp.
Accidents happen. Whether it's coffee, oil, or juice, you need to point out the problem areas to the cleaner so they can treat them properly. Let's practice dealing with stains. Phrase 26.
I accidentally spilled some red wine down the front of this white linen shirt.
There is a stubborn grease stain on the sleeve of this jacket. Can you treat it?
I've already tried washing this at home, but the ink stain just won't come out.
Please use an eco-friendly, scent-free detergent because I have highly sensitive skin.
There's a small smudge of makeup right along the neckline of this blouse.
Can you look at this spot? I'm honestly not sure what caused it, but it's quite noticeable.
Is this particular stain remover safe to use on colored fabrics without bleaching them?
The zipper on this pair of jeans is completely stuck. Can your team fix that?
Please do not put this sweater in the commercial dryer. It needs to line dry or air dry.
Are your stain removal treatments completely guaranteed to work on old marks?
Your clothes are ready, they look brand new, and now you are at the counter to collect them. Let's practice the closing steps. Phrase 36.
Hi there. I'm here to pick up my laundry. Here is my yellow claim ticket.
I seem to have misplaced my physical receipt, but my account is under the name Shake.
Let me just check through the items quickly to make sure everything is here.
Wow, it looks like this stain didn't completely come out. Is it possible to send it back for another round?
Are these garments covered in plastic garment bags to protect them from the rain outside?
Can I pay the outstanding balance using my mobile wallet or credit card?
Thank you so much. The tailoring and pressing look absolutely fantastic.
Do you keep the store open late on weekends for laundry collections?
I'll bring these plastic hangers back next time so you can recycle them.
Have a wonderful evening. I will see you again soon.
Now, let's listen to how a few of these phrases flow together seamlessly in a real short role-play scenario. Speaker 1 will play the dry cleaning attendant, and Speaker 2 will play the customer. Let's listen. Welcome to Pristine Cleaners. What can I do for you today? Hi there. I'd like to drop off this two-piece suit and this dress shirt for dry cleaning, please.
Excellent. Let me look over the garments. All right, the suit looks fine. Oh, wait, I see a small spot right here on the shirt sleeve. What kind of stain is this?
Ah, yes. I accidentally spilled some coffee down the sleeve yesterday morning. I haven't touched it or washed it at home yet. Can you treat it?
Perfect. It's actually much easier for us to remove if you haven't washed it yet. I'll make a note on the ticket to apply a special pre-treatment for a coffee stain. Now, do you want us to starch the collar of the dress shirt?
Yes, please. Starch the collar so it stays crisp. Also, what is your standard turnaround time for this? It usually takes 2 business days. They will be ready for pickup on Thursday afternoon after 3 o'clock. I'll print out your claim ticket right now. Can I get your last name? Yes, it's under the name Shake. And do I pay right now or when I pick them up? You can pay when you come to collect them on Thursday. Here is your yellow claim ticket. Just bring this along with you. That sounds perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
And that is how you handle your laundry needs completely in English. You did a wonderful job following along today.
Yes, amazing work. The next time you visit a laundromat or need to get a suit dry cleaned, you can walk in with total confidence because you know the exact vocabulary to use.
If this lesson helped boost your everyday fluency, please remember to subscribe to our channel, drop a thumbs up on this track, and leave a comment below. We love seeing your progress.
Until our next class, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing.
Bye, everyone.